right, welcome boys and girls. Today I want to show you everything you need to know about drilling into the frame, okay? Now you can see these motor mounts they got here. What you do is you drill through the frame in order to mount your engine. If it's for those of you who don't have any options other than just to do that, or maybe you're thinking about drilling here to mount a gas tank, or you want to make sure that pesky chain tensioner doesn't flop over into your spokes. Now it's important that you know exactly where to drill in your frame, okay? Now I'm going to show you the proper way to drill in your frame. You know what? First off, I'm going to show you the parts of the frame that you do not want to drill in. Don't. Okay, look. Your forks. Don't drill anywhere on your forks, period. Nowhere on the forks, okay? See this top tube? Where this goes from the seat tube to the steerer here. Don't drill anywhere there, okay? You've got your down tube here. Don't drill anywhere. I mean anywhere on your down tube, okay? This is called the seat tube. Don't drill anywhere on that seat tube, period, nowhere. This part of the frame here is called your chainstay. Don't drill on your chainstay, period, anywhere, no. This here is called the seat stay. It goes all the way up over here to the down tube. Don't drill anywhere on your seat stay, okay? Are you seeing a pattern here, okay? Don't drill in your frame, period. Where we at? This here is piece tubing. Very similar to what is used to construct a bike. Where we at? That's very thin. 0.060 or whatever the metric equivalent is thereabouts. Don't hold my feet to the fire, but I think it's like 1.6 millimeter. That's way too thin, okay? You are going to substantially weaken your frame, okay? I'm always preaching about how we are asking these bikes to do the duty of a motorcycle. Well, I got news for you. A motorcycle frame is a hell of a lot thicker than this thin-walled stuff that we use, that is used on a bicycle frame. Don't. If you're having an issue getting an engine mounted on the frame, I'll help you out. I don't want to see anyone get hurt, okay? I got my Facebook group right there, Hughes Motorized. Take some pictures of it. Mount the motor, mount to the rear, to the rear area here, to your seat tube here, and then show me some good pictures of what we got here. If there's any way we can come up with something. Okay, mbrebel.com. They've got some spacers and the like. You can make spacers. You can get the CNC engine mount here. There's a lot of different mounts that are available, and there's some different ways to do it. Oh, and don't put rubber between the engine and the frame. That's not good either. For the gas tank, show us some pictures of what we got. Get some dimensions, okay? If there's some alternative mounts that are available and some different ways that you can do this. There's more than one way to skin a cat. I know you want to get your bike on the road, but drilling the frame is not a good idea. You got it? Hey, if you think this video is going to help someone, give me a thumbs up. Click that subscribe, notification, and all that. Be careful.